Okay, so now what we want to do is set the numerator equal to 0 and solve this equation, which a third grader should be able to do at this point. I don't know. I'm down on the education right now, hearing too much bad stuff on the news lately. About how kids don't need to learn algebra anymore. Let's see, what do we got going on here? We want to solve for x in this problem. And if we were to plug in, never mind. Let's just do it the old-fashioned way. Then we want to multiply both sides by 2/3, the reciprocal of this guy here. And so we have times 2/3. And of course, x is going to end up being equal to, okay, that can't be, let's see, well, we get x is -4, but something's going on with that, because if -4 is not in our domain of the original function, okay, so that doesn't work, right? This second derivative thing is not working for finding concavity or points of inflection or any of that. As you can see, it fails there. Alright, anyway, so not in the domain of the original function. Remember, it was x plus 3. It was x and then x plus 3, right, was the original function here, f, and you can't plug -4 into this guy right here. So there you go. We need to go back to the first derivative, and that means taking the first derivative and going through the same things we've gone through to find the relative extrema in some previous videos. But okay, so that's really what you need to do. You need to go back to the first derivative and then do the number line and look where the graph is decreasing and then increasing, and you can tell from there where it's concave up. So let's just quickly go back and look at the graph. So this was the graph of our function here, and right, so the domain you can see here, graph starts here. But anyway, you can see, so you'll have a minimum somewhere in here, right? Looks like about -2, but I can't guarantee that. And you can see that it's concave up from -3, okay, all the way to positive infinity, right? So you're going to have decreasing and then increasing, as you can see here, and you can determine if it's concave up that way. Alright, I think that's enough of this problem. I have had enough of this problem, and I think that's it. That's all I'm going to have on concavity and inflection points. If you want any more problems work, send them to me on YouTube in the comment section, and I'll try to work them out. Thanks.